How to export videos in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, once your editing is complete, head to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the interface. This is where you prepare your project for final export. You will see a lot of settings on the left side. Don't worry, you only need to focus on a few key ones. Start by setting the file name and location. Click on Browse, choose where you want to save the video, and give your file a proper name so it's easy to find later. Next, choose your format. MP4 is a great choice for general use, and then set the codec. For most platforms, H.264 is ideal because it keeps file size low without losing too much quality. Now, check your resolution and frame rate. Make sure these match your timeline settings. For example, if your project was edited in 1920 by 1080 at 25 fps, keep those same values here to maintain consistency. After that, review the rest of the settings like quality, export audio if needed, and double check everything is correct. Once you are done, click Add to Render Queue at the bottom. Then, on the right side, click Render All. DaVinci Resolve will begin exporting your video, and the process time depends on your project length and settings. And that's it. Now you know how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.